Hello everyone. Today we will study about thematic repertory. It was published by Dr. J. A. Mirili in the year 1995. It was based on different themes, so it is called as thematic repertory. Now our next repertory is concise repertory of homeopathic medicine, which came in three editions. First edition came in the year 1963, then second edition came in the year 1977, and third edition came in the year 2000. Third edition is also known as Revised and Enlarged Edition by D.S. Pathak. New rubrics are marked with plus mark. In this repertory, whenever any new rubric is introduced, it has plus mark with it. Total number of main rubric are 1971. Total medicines are 393. And the repertory is arranged alphabetically. In this repertory, the modalities are printed as aggravation and amelioration in capital letters. Now we will see our next repertory, that is Kent's Repertorium Generale by Dr. J. Kunjli. It was first published in the year 1987 in German language by Barthen and Barthel Publishing, Germany, and its English translation came in the year 1990. Total medicines are 689, and in this 689 medicines, 7 remedies are mentioned twice. Dr. Kunjli added 48 new remedies and removed 7 medicines. So, now after addition and subtraction of medicines by Dr. Kunjli, remained 689 medicines. It is based on Kent's repertory. It was compiled and edited by Michael Berthel. It is taken through 72 sources. It follows Kent's plan in construction and arrangement of rubrics. The original repertory contains red points. These red points are known as red points of Kunjli. At some places, black points are found behind the drugs. And what does it mean? It means therapeutic efficacy of that remedy has been frequently proved. So the drugs which are having black point behind them are frequently proved. There are 44 main rubrics added in generalities and 27 added in mind. Now we will revise the repertories. The first repertory we studied is thematic repertory. Important points are: it was published by J.A. Mirili and in the year 1995. That's all. Next repertory we studied concise repertory of homeopathic medicines. Its 3 editions came. 3 editions. So first published in the year 1963. Second 1977. And third 2000. And this third edition is also known as revised and enlarged edition by D.S. Pathak. Rubrics, total number of rubrics in this repertory is rubrics 1971. Total medicines in this is 393. Total number of medicines. And this repertory is in alphabetical order. Our next repertory was Kent's Repertorium Generale, published by J. Kunjli. First published in the year 1987. First published in German language. 1990. It came with English translation. It is based on Kent's repertory, all the plan and construction and arrangement of rubrics. Sources of this book is 72. Now there are 2 points. First is red point. Red point. So in original repertory, there are some red points given, and these red points are known as red points of Kunjali. And in some places, a black point is found behind the drug. A drug is given and is followed by a black point. What does it mean? It means that this has been frequently proved. It has 44 rubrics in general and 27 in mind. Thank you.